Hey guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how to withdraw your funds from your Pocket Option account over to your Cash App. So what you're going to want to do is once you're in Cash App is go to the little home icon in the bottom left corner. You're going to want to click on Bitcoin and then scroll down to more ways to get Bitcoin. Click on Deposit Bitcoin. And then from there, what you're going to want to do is go to your Pocket Option account. In the top left, click on your little profile icon and then click Finance and then Withdrawal. I don't have enough money in my Pocket Option right now to withdraw because it's a minimum of $10. But over here, I will put up a little graphic as to what it should look like for you. So from there, what you're going to want to do is type in however much you want to withdraw. For example, $100, $10, whatever you want. And then go back to your Cash App. What you want to do is copy your Bitcoin network address and then go back to Pocket Option. And from there, you can paste in your address and you should be able to send it directly. It should take maybe 3 to 5 business days to actually transfer the money, but from there, you should be good to go. All right, thank you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.